Good morning, student. Today's topic is function. Let's continue the question. Is question number 12. Let A equal to set 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 and f a to z be a function given by fx equal to highest prime factor of x Find the range of f. Find the range of f. Now see the solution. Here function is highest prime factor of 12. So let's take f12. Its prime factor, it is 2 into 2 into 3 and highest prime number is 3. Then f13, 13 is a prime number, so it is 13. f14, it is f2 into 7. 7 is a prime number, so it is 7. f15, it is 3 into 5. So highest prime number is 5. Then f18, then next f16. It is f2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Highest prime number is 2. Then f17. 17 is a prime number. So range of f equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 17. Student, now next question is the function f is defined by fx equal to x square when x is less than equal to 3 and greater than equal to 0. And it is 3x when x is less than equal to 10 and greater than 3. Another function g is defined by it is x square when x is less than equal to 2 and greater than equal to 0. And it is 3x when x is less than equal to 10 and greater than equal to 2. So that f is a function and g is not the function. First of all, we will check for g. Let us find g2. G2 is obtained from first term when it is 2 square is 4. And G2 again from this term it is 3 into 2 which is 6. Since G2 is having two values of, since G2 is having two values 4 and 6, therefore G is not a function. According to the function, each and every value of x has the unique image in fx or gx. So since it is having two images, so g is not a function. Now let us discuss fx. Here fx is defined for each and every value of x. When it is 0 to 3, so each number having a unique square. When it is 3x, then each number having different values, different numbers. Then F3 is 3 square is 9 from first, and F3 is 3 into 3 is also 9, having same value. Therefore, f is a function and g is not a function. Now next question, it is question number 18 from R.D. Sharma. It is exercise 3.1. Express the function f given by fx equal to x cube plus 1 as a set of ordered pairs, then x equal to minus 1, 0, 3, 9 and 7. Express this function as a set of ordered pairs. Express this function as the set of ordered pairs. Students, see the solution. Here fx equal to x cube plus 1. When we take x equal to minus 1, then it is minus 1 cube plus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So one of the ordered pair, let's write function here, f equal to, it is minus 1 comma 0. When f0, so it is 0 cube plus 1 is 1. So another ordered pair is 0 comma 1. Then f3 is 3 cube plus 1. 3 cube is 27 plus 1 is 28. So it is 3 comma 28. When x is 9, so it is 9 cube plus 1, it is 729 plus 1, it is 730. So it is 9 comma 730. And when f equal to 7, it is 7 cube plus 1. 7 cube is 343 plus 1, it is 344. So it is 7 comma 344. Function is this. When x equal to 7, then f7 is 7 cube plus 1, it is 343 plus 1, or it is 344. So required function is this.